Hi, my name is BREGJE and you are watching Estona tutorials. And if you are watching this video, you are not currently on my subscriber feed, so you can watch a part of this video. But if you want to get the full experience, then please hop on over to Patreon and you can find me at patreon.com/Estona_tutorials. I hope I'll see you there. And I can hear you think, sanding, what's so difficult about that? Well, there are a few tips and tricks. 1. I am only filing up and down in one straight line. 2. Make sure to press down every part of your work. And 3. Keep on sanding until you have a nice and even finish. And I hope you can see that the lines are all running in the same direction. And everything has the same finish. So I'm done with the 240 grid on this side. And now I'm moving over to the 500 grid. But where my lines are like this, at this moment, we are going to twist our piece so that the lines of the 500 grid are going to be like this. And once sanded, it already looks like this. This is about 1 millimeter thick. You can use a wire from, let's say, 0.8 to 1 millimeter thick. Don't go any thicker for this. And we're starting off with our round-nosed pliers. I'm not sure about the size, but let's say we will grab it halfway with our pliers. I am holding the piece of silver with the pliers, but I'm twisting the wire around with my fingers. So I'm holding it and I'm twisting. And as you can see, I'm just making this little spiral shape. I found this little trick. If I open up my saw blade and I slide over the jump rings like so, of course close it, and sawing it this way is the most easiest way for me to do it. Of course, feel free to use another way. So I'm holding my blade almost flat against my bench pin. And hold your jump ring like so, and then take your pointed nose pliers and open up the jump ring this way. So you're not pulling it apart, but you're making this movement with your pliers. So I'll show you once more. Open it up like so. And the more you practice at this point, the better you'll become, and maybe you can even see a difference already in the things that you made after the first lesson and the things that you have made now.